badly. And you certainly know that in big cities, pollution comes from buses and cars. And now, more and more often, people told not to be in direct with sunlight because ultraviolet radiation can cause skin cancer. And normally, the ozone layer protects us from the ultraviolet radiation. And if there are holes in the ozone, it means that ultraviolet radiation can get to the Earth. And many scientists think that these holes are a result of air pollution.
Very good information. Valeria, can you continue?
Air pollution, the main threat to the planet is us because we damage the place where we live and we pollute the air we breathe every day and destroy the species life too. Air pollution is one of the most important problems nowadays. For example, millions of people all over the world they live in areas where the air was so extremely polluted and dangerous to be breathed. The air condition is closely related to degrees, and after these rains or waters in lakes or rivers,